welcome. It's a pretty quiet Friday night for me, and I've been wanting to make this sticker for quite a while. It's obviously a play on that popular song. I think it's called Pretty Girls Walk. I don't know the artist. I don't remember. I'm sorry. I actually haven't heard this song in its entirety. The reason that I know it is because it's on this commercial that seems to be playing all the time in my house. We have a TV on usually at any given time if we're awake, and just for sort of noise in the background. So I feel like I hear this song all the time. It's on like a workout commercial or something. So on all the time. A couple weeks ago, my husband and I, we were at a livestock auction looking at cows, heifers, and the auctioneer kept saying, "Look at this pretty girl walk," and referencing that, and all I was thinking about was that song. And making this sticker, I was just thinking of how cute would it be to have a pretty cute pinup cow strutting her stuff down Main Street, in front of a candy store or something like that. I just thought that was the cutest thing. I was super distracted. So I've been thinking about making this since then. Now I normally make my stickers on my phone because it's an easy way to pass a couple minutes if I'm in a drive-through waiting, or if I'm in a doctor's office waiting, or for my kids or something like that. It's easy to just pass some time, and it's cathartic to me. So, but for this specific one, I wanted to make sure that I did it on the computer because there was a lot more editing than normal. Now you can do that on your phone with Canva still. It's just when you get into the details here, sometimes it gets really frustrating because I have fat fingers and I can't grab what I need to on my phone. So also I wanted to show you that a lot of times when you use AI, it's gonna spit out some cool pictures, but it's gonna have some weird stuff in it that you're like, well, what the heck am I gonna do with that? I want that, but without that, or something like that. And it very specifically happens a lot with words. So I wanted to show that it's not a problem. You can fix that with AI. And if anybody is stuck on something, if you're working on something like this and you really you cannot figure out how to do something, then let me know. I'll do what I can to help. I'm usually pretty resourceful in figuring out a way to get things the way that I like them on these designs. So anyway, if you like these, if they're cathartic like they are to me, these videos, you can find more at my site, and you can also find the sticker at www.adhesiveanthologies.com. Now I will say at the end of this video, it looks like I'm not quite done, but honestly I was really just messing with a frame. I wanted to see if I could find a frame that would look good, but I really just couldn't, and so I decided to opt for just the square sticker. So that's what I cut off at the end there, because it's just nonsense. Anyway, thanks for spending your valuable time with me today. Enjoy.
Thanks so much for spending your valuable time with me today. If you'd like to buy this sticker and read about my story, come see me at my site. It's www.adhesiveanthologies.com. I hope to see you there. Have a great day.